Being a vegetarian has just become a whole lot easier thanks to A&W and Tim Hortons. They've both released meatless burger options for us to enjoy. So today I will be tasting and rating both of them based off of appearance, packaging, overall value, and most importantly, taste. So I will be starting with the A&W Beyond Meat Burger, which is just a burger made out of plants, so no animals. Vegetarian. It is topped with crispy lettuce, red onions, tomatoes, pickles, mustard, ketchup, and mayonnaise. And luckily for me, cheese too, because I like cheese. Let us indulge. So we got some simple packaging, just like, you know, a simple wrapper, nothing too complicated, easy to access, like no struggle. First look, it's a little, I wouldn't say I'm over the moon trying to indulge into this thing. It's soft. Wow. So we're gonna put it back in the bag so it's easier to eat, because let's say I'm in the car, right, and I'm heading down to like my friend's house, you know, it's gonna be easier this way. I need a second bite just for you know, really extract the flavors. Right now we got a little bit of lettuce happening. You know, can really taste the cheese. It's really important for me. Got a little bit of pickle. I'm not the biggest fan of pickle normally, but this one, you know, it really just helps. You know, I definitely rate that one, I would say 7.8 for taste. Appearance, we can give that one a nice 5. For my high elegance, you know, I would like it to be a little bit more put together. Appearance in the bag, you know, I would just give that one a 5 too. It wasn't anything special. Since I'm special, I want a special burger. Math works that way. And its overall price is $8.80. I presume before tax, not including a combo. I am parched, I would like a drink, and you know what, if I was so hungry, I would also like to indulge in some french fries. But no, I can't, because I already used my $10 bill for it, okay? So this, you know, let's see how the Tim Hortons burger keeps up to this one, okay? Because I'm at a, like a mid-range kind of like standpoint with this one. Tim Hortons burger is 100% vegan, unless you add cheese like me. It's also 100% plant-based, and it features no GMOs, soy, or gluten. So if you have a gluten allergy, you don't have to worry about that either. It's also made out of rice, mung beans, pomegranate, and canola oil. Not canola oil, coconut oil. To start, its packaging. Wow, look at this red beauty. It's in a box, it's prepared, you know, no mess, no floppy wrapper like so A&W, okay? It's sleek, it's sophisticated. Appearance, now. Appearance. Get a load of this. I can take it out, I can feel comfortable, I could wave my hand around while talking, and it's still together. It's cute, it's compact. Right now, I just gotta taste it. You know, we always need to do the second bite. You know, the first initial taste test doesn't give you everything you need. Taste, I'd give it, it's good. It's like a 7. I just wish it was more like vibrant, more succulent. Other words that mean dense in flavor, I guess. Packaging, I'd give it, you know, I'd give this like a 9 out of 10. The only way it would be a perfect 10 out of 10 if it came with a free $1 million. And that's what would make it perfect. But since it doesn't, and I'm still $1 million short, it gets a 9 out of 10. Appearance, it was a nice burger. It looked like similar-ish to commercials. So I'd give it a nice 8. And overall pricing, its pricing is $5.56. Their price is, it's okay. It's $5.60. Let me meaning I still have room in my $10 bill to buy myself like an ice cap or a medium ice cap. I like ice caps. So overall rating, factoring their appearance, their packaging, their price, and their taste, I would definitely have to go with, drumroll please, Tim Hortons. Woo! Because, you know, packaging, sleek, beautiful, elegant, okay? Pricing, moderate, okay? I can afford this with my student, no work budget, okay? Taste, a little bit less like in your face than A&W, but it makes up for it in appearance too, okay? You want a good looking burger for the aesthetic, for your Visco, because I know you're taking pictures for Visco, okay? I know it. I know who you are. I am you. I'm that person who takes the pictures, okay? So definitely, I would choose Tim Hortons.